team, I'm excited to announce that we'll be implementing a new 4-shift pattern in the ward starting next month. This change aims to improve staff morale, reduce burnout, and enhance patient care.
I'm curious to know how this new pattern will work, MIHIRAA. Will it involve longer shifts or fewer days off?
The 4-shift pattern will involve working fewer days per week but with slightly longer shifts. This will provide staff with more time off while ensuring adequate coverage for patient care.
I'm concerned about the impact on patient care. Won't longer shift lead to fatigue and decreased alertness?
We've carefully considered this. We'll implement strategies to manage fatigue, such as scheduling breaks and ensuring adequate rest periods. We'll also monitor staff performance and make adjustments as needed.
Will this new pattern affect our overtime hours, MIHIRAA?
The goal is to minimize overtime by optimizing staffing levels and scheduling. However, there may be occasional instances where overtime is necessary to address unexpected workload fluctuations.
MIHIRA, I know you've just had your procedure and I want to make sure you heal comfortably and quickly. It's really important to keep your ear dry for a while. This means avoiding getting water in it when you shower. Using a shower cap or earplugs will help. We've also prescribed some medication to prevent infection and manage any discomfort. Please take it as directed. If you have any concerns, please don't hesitate to contact us right away. We are here to support you through your recovery.